Cicada Estates use modern, environmentally friendly and carbon-positive techniques to produce macadamias, avocados, bananas, and timber. Our footprint covers the eastern highlands of Zimbabwe, where we manage 8 estates with over 6,000 hectares of agricultural land and 20,000 hectares of forestry. Our agricultural estates currently produce 1,000 tons of macadamia nuts, 2,000 tons of avos, and 9,000 tons of bananas every year. Our sustainably managed forests produce 35,000 cubic meters of lumber and 15,000 cubic meters of poles every year. And as recent planting reaches maturity, our agricultural and forestry output is set to expand significantly in the next 5 years.